Welcome students. Today I am going to teach you the second part of chapter 3, that is celebrating our diversity. Students, as I taught you in our previous part, that is in part 1, students of Davies School participated in inter-house school celebration and different houses presented different festivals of our country. Now, today we will discuss about Nehru House. Marriage celebration presented by Nehru House. India is a land of diverse cultures and religions. Each region, community has its unique way of celebrating weddings. Different wedding rituals are followed in different parts of our country. In Hindu wedding, different rituals like Mehndi, Sangeet, Barat, Kanyadan, Sindoor, Seven Feras and Vidai are followed. The second presentation showed a Sikh wedding, Anand Karaj at Gurudwara. The ceremony was presided over by a priest called Bhaiji. The hymns were recited from the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of Sikhs. Yes, the holy book of Sikhs is Guru Granth Sahib. Bride and groom went around the Guru Granth Sahib for 4 times. Yes, this is the picture of Sikh wedding. Christian wedding was conducted by a priest in a church. The bride was wearing a beautiful white dress and a white veil, and the groom was dressed in a suit. The couple exchanged rings and accepted each other as husband and wife in front of family members and friends. Then, wedding ceremony was followed by reception where the couple cut the cake. So students, summary of the chapter is, the marriage rituals may differ, but the essence of all wedding is the union of a couple and bonding of the two families. The inter-house celebration came to an end with a lot of appreciation for the students and the teachers who had presented the best features of Indian culture in a wonderful way. Now we have completed the chapter. Now we will do exercises. Something to know. A. Tick the correct options. Number 1. Vinayak Chaturthi is dedicated to the birth of Lord A. Krishna, B. Ram, C. Ganesh. Yes, the answer will be Ganesh. 2. Which calendar do Parsis follow? A. Lunar, B. Shahanshahi, C. Solar. Yes, the answer is Shahanshahi. 3. Which of the following is a rituals in Hindu wedding? A. Sangeet, B. Mehndi, C. Both. Yes, the answer is both. Sangeet and Mehndi is the ritual of Hindu wedding. 4. Anand Karaj takes place in a mosque, B. Gurudwara, C. temple. Yes, the answer is Gurudwara. 5. The grand Onam feast is called A. Ona Sadhya, B. Pokalam, C. Rabo. Yes, the answer is Ona Sadhya. Now B. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The theme of inter-house celebration was the Indian dash. Yes, the answer is culture. Second. Onam marks the homecoming of King dash. Yes, the answer is Mahabali. Third, dash is considered as an auspicious time to start new ventures. Yes, the answer is Navratri. Fourth, Navroz is a symbol of rejuvenation and dash. Yes, the answer is rebirth. Fifth, the Quran came into existence during the month of dash. The answer is Ramadan. Now C. Match the following. Students, you will do matching side by side. Number 1, synagogue, fire temple. Navratri, Dandiya. Dashera, effigies. Pokalam, floral rangoli. Eid ul Fitr, Thanksgiving. Now D. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What is the importance of participating in school stage programs? And the answer is, participating in school stage programs is very important for students because it builds self-confidence and develop their skills and qualities. It will also reduce their stage fear. Now question number 2. How is Ganesh Chaturthi celebrated in Maharashtra? The answer is, Ganesh Chaturthi is celebrated in the month of August or September in Maharashtra. People buy idols of Ganpati and take home, worship with kumkum, flowers, fruits and sweets. Then after a few days of celebration, they take out images in a procession for Visarjan and chanted Ganpati Bappa Moria. Now question number 3. Mention any 3 important features of Navratri celebration. The answer is, 3 important features of Navratri celebration are: A. It is celebrated for 9 nights and Goddess Durga is worshipped. B. This period is considered as an auspicious time to start new ventures. C. People worship young girls as Goddess Durga and offer them puri, halwa, chane and other gifts on the 8th day. Now question number 4. How do people of Kerala celebrate the homecoming of King Mahabali? The answer is, Onam is celebrated as a mark for the homecoming of their beloved King Mahabali. They make pokalam, that is floral rangoli, wear new clothes and organize a grand feast called Ona Sadya. It consists of many dishes such as curries, kotu, papadam, pasam, rice and coconut chutney. Snake boat races, Kathakali dance and Pulukali tiger dance is a popular features of Onam. Now question number 5. Eid ul Fitr is a day of joy and thanksgiving. Explain. Answer. Yes, Eid ul Fitr is a day of joy and thanksgiving. It is celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramadan. After a month-long fasting, they offer prayers, recite Quran, follow good behavior and donate for the needy. On this day, they forgive and forget ill feeling towards others. Now question number 6. How is Navroz celebrated in India? Answer is, Parsis celebrate Navroz in India by the following ways. Number 1. They clean and decorate their homes with rangolis made up of flowers like rose and jasmine. Number 2. They offer their prayers in a synagogue, that is fire temple. Number 3. Then they wish Sal Mubarak and exchange gifts to each other and make some special dishes like faluda, saffron pulao and rabo, etc. Now question number 7. What is the significance of Dashera? The answer is, the significance of Dashera is it marks the victory of good over evil. It is celebrated by the Hindus at the end of Navratri every year. Now map skill. On a political map of India, locate, color and label the following. So students, we will locate the states with the help of color. Number 1, Maharashtra in orange color. Number 2, Gujarat in yellow. Number 3, Tamil Nadu in blue. Number 4, Karnataka in green. Number 5, Kerala in red. Number 6, Andhra Pradesh in brown. Now students, we will do something to do. So you have to identify the festival. A. Beautiful pokalams are made on the floor. And the answer is Onam. B. Young girls are worshipped on Ashtami. The answer is Navratri. C. Effigies of Ravana, Meghnada and Kumbhakarna are burned. The answer is Dashera. D. Month-long fasting during Ramadan. Yes, the festival is Eid al-Fitr. Now, we will solve the word puzzle with the help of hints. Number 1. This festival marks the victory of good over evil. The answer is Dashera. Number 2. He presides over the nikah. Answer is Qazi. Number 3. It is considered as an auspicious time to start new ventures. Yes, the answer is Navratri. Number 4. Whose idols are worshipped during Ganesh Chaturthi? Yes, the answer is Ganpati. Number 5. Eid is celebrated during this month. Yes, the answer is Ramadan. 6. What is Muslim wedding known as? Yes, Nikah. Number 7. A ritual in Hindu wedding. The answer is Sindoor. 8. Where does a Sikh wedding take place? Yes, the answer is Gurudwara. So students, today we have finished the chapter. Thank you.